So as of now, we have learned coming to sharing settings. We have learned about OWD profile and permission set. Yesterday we got little bit confused while we are creating permission set. Now we'll see once again. So yesterday what we have done is in profile itself we gave all the access. So that is the reason it was not working in permission set. So now what I'm going to do is I'll do some small changes in profile level. Then we'll come to permission set. So what is the navigation part for profile setup?
Set
Find bar profile.
profile.
Yes. In that yesterday date we have clicked. So in this we gave job portion for view all and modify all. So what we can do is we can create only read access for this particular profile. Okay,
May
and
20.
now I'm giving save. So I'm going to log in as Srikanth now. Is job portion object is there, but when I clicked on here, see nothing is visible here. I mean I don't have option to create, I don't have option to delete it here because in profile level setting itself I have changed it. Got it?
Okay.
Once again I'll show it to you. So while coming to profile level, see here only read access is there for job positions.
Okay.
Okay, now yesterday we gave all the access. Read, create, edit, delete, view all, modify all. Everything we gave. That is the reason I was unable to do the work in through permission sets. Did you got it? What I'm
Okay.
saying, Vidya?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because whenever OWD is not possible to secure the data, that time will come to profile. But in case if you are unable to doing anything with profile, that time will come to permission set. But yesterday scenario, in profile level itself, we have full access. So when we
Yes.
have full access in profile level itself, what is the necessary to have a permission set? So no need to have necessary to create permission set again.
Yes.
So now what I did is I gave only read option for this profile, and
Okay.
as well as we have seen only read option while I have logged in as Srikanth. So now
Okay.
again
Mm.
I'm going back to permission set.
Set up. Permission set.
See job question permission set. I'm just clicking on it. For this object settings,
No access.
job questions. One minute. Yeah, here it is. So for this only read option is there as of now. So what I'm doing is I'm giving only edit option. So while coming to profile level, it has already read option. So now what I'm going to do is this profile they can edit. I'm not giving any delete or view all. I'm just giving only edit option and giving save. Now we can see either it will work or not. See, coming to OWD, it is a private. It is not in private. That is also we'll see. 1 minute. What is the OWD setting here? Coming to OWD, it's a job position is a private. Though it's a private, we already gave the access. Now I'm changing this one as public read write. Sorry, public read only I'm giving.
No, OWD, right?
Yes, yes, OWD.
OWD. Okay.
OWD public read only I gave. So now
Okay.
coming to OWD, this particular object, job position object, for this object, OWD is public read only.
Right.
That means this particular object, he doesn't have edit option, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now
Okay.
coming to profile, they can able to read, correct? So now what I thought is only for particular people, few people, I am giving to create, sorry,
Edit.
edit the records. They don't have access to create, they can able to edit. So while coming to OWD, it is read only. Coming to profile, it is read only. So we have another option now, so that is permission set. Now we can see either permission set how it will work. So I'm going to log in as Srikanth. See now, earlier edit option was not there.
Yes.
That means here OWD is also not working, profile also not working. Just because of permission set, it is working now.
Okay.
Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Once again, I'm removing. 1 minute.
No, no. One more doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
We are giving a read only in the OWD, right?
Correct.
Then what is the purpose of profile? Also, we are giving the only read only, right?
Okay, very good question. So we can do the changes in profile. So what the change we can give in profile?
No, no, no. I'm just asking. We can do. If you do like that, is it not? It is not wrong.
Yeah, we can do it.
Okay. 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 Then it's okay.
So yesterday, no, no. What I did is, in case if it is OWD private, if it is OWD private, then in profile level we should not give access to this particular object.
Okay.
But in profile
Okay.
itself, we gave the access. So that's the
Yes.
reason yesterday we got confused.
Yeah.
Okay, for this one also, when we logged in as a Srikanth first time, edit option was not there. We were just reading the records.
We can
But
read.
now, as per this thing, I mean, as per profile level, sorry, permission set, we gave edit option here. We'll do one thing. So now in profile level, we'll do the change as read and edit, and permission set we can give a delete. Let
Okay.
me do the change. Okay. So here I'm giving as a private only.
Job options.
Okay, project it is already showing private. let me check with project. Project is private. So for this project, 26th May profile, it is already there. We gave view all and modify all.
Okay.
So let me check with profile. Project view all, modify all, I'm removing it. And here I'm just giving read only. Okay. Now I logged in as Srikanth. So what is the OWD? OWD will be private.
Yes.
When OWD is private, only user or owner they can see the record. But coming to profile, we gave the access as read. So being as a user, I can read the all the records in that particular project object. Srikanth will not be having access because of profile. He'll be having access. Now we can see. See, project option came.
Yes.
Now I'll check records.
Right.
Nothing is there.
Good.
Nothing is there in this project object. So that is the reason it is not getting it.
Okay.
Okay, coming to job positions. Again, it option is there. So are you getting any confused Vijay here?
No, 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 no. I'm good.
Okay. Job, where it is? Yes. Job question I'm making as a private.
Okay. Standard report to this one.
One sharing option login should okay. Now job question is private.
Mhm.
That means only owner can see the record. Coming to 26th profile, then I can able to read the record. I'm coming to permission set. Instead of edit, I'm giving delete option here. Okay, if I give delete option, automatically edit also will come. So now we can see either delete option will display or not for job position object.
Job
So
position.
that
Okay.
means here it is a private. Give me a minute, there's some technical issue from my side.
It's okay.
So job position is a private, OWD is a private, and profile is read only, and permission set is edit and delete.
Mm,
So earlier when we have checked it, only edit option was there. Now we can see either delete option is will come or not. So
okay.
again I'm going to log in as Srikanth. So clicking on job option, clicking on the record. See delete option is coming.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So this is how profile, OWD profile and permission set will come. See, first thing
Okay.
we'll go with OWD for all the users in the
Okay.
organization. So
Mhm.
depends on the profiles, we should give some responsibilities to some other users, not all the people. So that time we'll go with departments. And within the department, if you want to give more access, more responsibilities, that time we'll go with permission sets. Now, hope you got.
These
Yeah, tell me.
no, no, no. These are all customized by organization to organization, right?
Yes,
Because one people can see another one's another one's share accounts and
yes. Here, whichever your lead or your project manager giving the instructions, based on that only you need to follow.
okay.
So, for example, let me share this screen once again. See, just think this is a hierarchy in your organization. There is a marketing team and there is a finance team. And marketing team and finance team, both the teams reporting to CEO. But every team will be having their own employees and their own profiles and their own hierarchies. So coming to
Yeah.
marketing team, they'll be having manager and employees, and here finance team also they'll be having manager and employees. Here, employee one who is there in finance team, to whom they are reporting.
They're senior manager.
Yes, exactly. So whichever employee one doing the work, everything, it will be visible to senior manager who is working for finance team, not for marketing team.
Okay.
Got it? So one file
Yeah,
will
yeah, yeah.
marketing team manager asking one file to employee one who is there in finance team. Will he give the rights to marketing team manager?
Then we have to change the permission sets.
No.
Is it possible?
No,
No.
no. Permission set concept is over now. This is another concept.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is a role
Then
hierarchy.
role hierarchy. Okay.
So what I'm saying is, uh, in marketing team they have one doubt, and for that they need to take help of finance team.
Okay.
Okay, so what marketing team manager thought is, while senior manager of finance team is not there, directly he went to employee one who is there in finance team and he asked to share that file. Now will he share that file to marketing team manager?
No.
Why?
Why? That is not the hierarchy, right?
Yes, exactly. So this is how role hierarchy will work.
Okay.
Okay, so how can we create roles and roles and responsibilities? Now we can see in Salesforce environment. Okay,
Okay.
so here, as usual, just go to So here just click on role. Yes, if you type it as a role, then you'll be getting it here. So just click on role. Once you click on role, you'll be getting this form. So here you can see the picture. So under CEO, there are three people, and again those three people, there are another three people. Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm going to click on setup roles. See here, organization name automatically will come because while I'm creating the application that time I gave this name, so it will automatically it'll take this name. Okay, and here CEO is there, and under CEO, if you want to see the people, you can get it all this information. Okay, so for this, I'm the CEO. I
Mhm.
mean, for this one, for this complete arc, I'm the CEO. Just think that, think like that. I'm the CEO. So if I'll be the CEO, can I do the all the works in this arc?
Pardon me.
No. For this application, I'm the administrator. I'm the user. Okay. In case if I do the any work here to see the practicing of role hierarchy, will it work if I'll be a CEO? Hope you're not getting it once again. See, just think here in I'm in CEO version. I'm there. Okay,
Okay.
and senior manager and finance team and marketing team. We have two versions as a senior managers. So now
Okay.
I'm the user. I'm the CEO. If I do any approval process or if I do any workflow, will it be possible to check in my arc?
I don't think so.
It won't, because when okay, let me keep it in simple way. When I have administrator access, if
Mhm.
I'm doing any practicing as a CEO, I don't feel any changes either it is happening or not, because whichever options I'm giving, it will work, right?
Okay. Yeah.
While coming role hierarchy.
Okay.
So here what I'm doing is, for CEO, I'm giving one another role as assistant CEO, because if I'm the assistant CEO, whichever I'm doing the work, for that to give the approval, it will goes to CEO, right?
Yes.
Once they'll approve, then only I can see the visibility here, either it is working or not. So if
Okay.
I'm the CEO, if I'm giving up, if I'm the CEO, to whom I need to send the giving approval? No need, right?
No need.
So for our training purpose, I'm keeping this one as assistant CEO. Okay. So I'm creating one role as assistant CEO. Okay. Assistant CEO reporting to CEO.
See.
And role name as displayed on reports, we can make it as assistant CEO itself. And see. Got it? So
Okay.
now I have created one role as assistant CEO, but here I don't have any person. I have role, but there is no employee in that particular role. What we need to do?
Yes. We have to hire a new employee for that.
Yes, or else we can give promotion to some other person who is working in the organization.
Yeah. Maybe in the low level
Okay,
after
so
next.
now what I'm doing is I'm assigning this role to one user. So I'm just clicking on assign users to role. So assistant CEO, and here I'm giving
Wow.
all users name coming here. So for Manoram, I'm giving as assistant CEO.
Okay.
I'm just giving save.
Mm.
That's it. Okay. Now you should get one doubt. So if he is the assistant CEO, then who will be the CEO? Then what we need to do?
Mm, no idea, sir.
Okay. So here there is no position. So that is the reason we have created assistant CEO. But while
Yes.
we clicked on role, there is already role called as CEO.
Okay.
One minute.
You're the CEO, and you can again you are creating one user is a assistant CEO, right?
No, no, 1 minute. See here, I'm the
Add a-
user. So if I be the CEO, I can't see any changes which I'm doing it here. Got it? So now you got the hierarchy of your organization.
Yeah, I got the hierarchy of the
Okay. So
organization,
you got the
but the last,
1 minute. You got the hierarchy. So now what we
yeah,
are doing is we are assigning the users in that particular positions. As of now, we have created profiles only. We
okay,
have created profiles and we have created users as well, but we
okay,
haven't gave any roles to them.
okay,
So if you go to users, give me a minute. See here,
okay,
there is no role. So as of now, we have only one role here, assistant CEO. For
okay,
remaining Vijaya and Srikanth, there is no role for them.
okay, okay. These are profiles. Okay, yeah,
Okay, so
perfect.
now according to our organization roles, we are assigning users into that roles.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
Yeah,
so going back to roles, if I click on Ascend CEO, my name is coming. So now I'm going back. So in CEO, I'm assigning the role. At the CEO position, we can edit, we can delete, we can assign. So I
okay.
can assign. How we can assign here? We can see all users.
Users.
Okay. So once you click on all users, you'll be getting these names. So I'm making
Okay.
this name as a CEO. Got it?
Yeah.
Done. I saved it. So now what will be happen? Whichever I'm doing work here. See, 1 minute. If I'll be a marketing team manager, whichever I'm doing it, who will be overlooking it? My CEO.
Yes.
Okay. So whichever I'm sending mails to you, you should approve it. So
Yes.
being as administrator, I'll be having a lot of work. So whichever things I'm doing it, I'm sending to you to approve it.
Okay.
Got it? See, in
Yeah.
case if I'm the CEO, so what is the necessary to doing all these things in my own arm? Rightly, I can approve it, right? I need not to
Yes.
maintain all the
Yes.
data.
Okay. Yeah.
So that is the reason I have assigned my name in assistant CEO and I have assigned another user as a CEO.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are we can create roles
Roll.
and assigning roles. Okay.
Okay.
And here I have one more doubt.
Mm-hmm.
If we have 2 to 3 people under assistant CEO name,
Okay.
okay, so that time whichever 3 people are doing the work, all those will be visible to CEO or not.
Yes.
It will be. It will be definitely. There is no doubt on that. So because and only one option is there. See here. 1 minute. See here. Until unless if you are removing this tick mark in OWD, everything will be
Grand.
visible to your senior. Here
Okay.
I have removed grant access.
Okay.
Grant access using hierarchies. If you have tick mark here without OWD, without anything, you can
Give the
that
permission.
data will be visible to your manager.
Okay. And one more doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
One contractor works in the same team, not in the same team. In the they can work in multiple projects, right?
Okay.
One is in finance, one is in the
Okay.
marketing.
Okay.
They can see their department wise their projects and their capabilities and everything, or they can see everything. The managers are different,
I'm
but
not.
he's
I'm not getting. I'm not getting you.
no. One contractor is there.
Okay.
He is working finance and marketing,
Okay.
some development side.
Okay.
Okay, then who can see his everything, whatever he's doing work.
Okay. So you mean to say that one employee working for two projects, and
Okay.
that's what you're trying to say, right?
Yeah.
That time depends on the managers. In case if they want to looking into everything,
Mm-hmm.
both the managers.
The
So if this is a scenario, if this is the
mhm.
scenario, marketing team manager can see his work and finance team manager can see his work. But here, uh, permission sets will make the changes.
Okay.
So finance team person, what he'll do is he'll make one permission set to that employee, which is visible to only finance team, not for marketing
Okay.
team.
Whatever he's working in the finance,
Yes,
he can see just that thing only.
only that thing.
Okay. Okay.
Or else there is another topic here.
Mm-hmm.
We should have one module called as record types. So that time, although he is working for two projects, whichever he
Mm-hmm.
want to create one record for marketing team, he can select only marketing team when he want to work for marketing team. That is another
Okay.
module is there called as record types. That is a
Okay.
future topic.
Okay.
So
Okay.
at same point of time, he can't work two projects, right? So for 1 hour he'll work for marketing team, and for 1 hour he'll work for finance team project. So that time we'll do the changes for different departments for different users. We have a module called as record types. That is a future
Yeah.
topic.
Yeah, in my organization, some people work on 20 hours in one project and 20 hours in a one project and 40 hours in one project. One guy is working in three projects.
Okay.
That's like,
So that time they may have record types for they'll create record types only for different profiles. So that
okay.
time what they'll do is instead of employee one, employee two, they'll create one separate profile.
Okay.
They'll create one separate profile called as a special person or something. One profile they create, and for that particular profile, they'll give access again. How we gave profile access here.
Okay.
So
Okay.
in that profile, they'll select only finance team objects, and they'll add that person into that profile.
Okay.
And same thing will be happening for marketing team as well. When he
Sure.
want to work for only one project, that time they'll go with record types. He'll select only one record type and he'll be working on it.
Okay.
Okay. So within
Okay.
week gap, you can understand record types as well. I mean, I'll complete record types as well.
Sure.
Okay. So now you might have got one idea about a role, right?
Yeah, I'm a little bit confusing about the role and profile still
Okay.
when I'm doing.
How can I explaining about
Yeah,
role and profile?
when you show me that one also, I see the role in the profile, the assistant manager
One
or
minute.
something.
One minute. Make it in simple. Let me explain in simple way. See, now
Yeah.
I'm giving refresh here.
Yeah.
So here, Vijay is the CEO and Ram is assistant CEO. And here,
Okay.
my profile is system administrator, and your profile will be different.
Okay.
Okay, because being as a CEO, you'll not do all the works. Okay,
Okay.
so whichever your subordinates is submitting the cases are they're showing the any issues, those things only you'll be looking at, right?
Okay.
Okay, and Srikanth also one of the user, but nothing is there for his, no role is there for him, but profile
Okay.
is there.
Okay.
That means profile is mandatory for each and every user. Role is not mandatory. Role is nothing but which are the things visible to the user. Got it?
Yeah.
But profile is what are the actions they are doing it.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
And let me make it in another way. Take on cricket team. In cricket team, 14 people will be there in the team. I'm not saying match. In the team, 14 people will be there. But while coming to match, only 11 people will play.
Yes.
But while they are playing, while 11 people are playing, there won't be 11 captains, right? Only one captain will be there. Got it?
Okay.
Only
Yeah. Yeah.
one captain will be that. That means he'll be looking into everything. But while coming to player, his responsibility is he has to play. That's it. He need not to looking into
Yes.
captain's point of view, because that is role, that is profile. Captaincy is the role, profile is his playing responsibility.
Okay.
So to play the match, he need not to be having a captain,
Okay.
right?
Profile is a player.
Yes, exactly.
Role
Profile
is a
means nothing
captain,
but
right?
it's a responsibility of the particular player. Got it? Maybe you are
Yeah.
getting confused. Hello?
Okay. Okay. I'm okay. Yeah. I'm okay. Hello.
Yeah, tell me, Vijay.
No. 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 Nothing, sir. Tell me.
Okay, so that means role means it will be access of visibility of accessing for all the works which are going on in the organization. But profile in the sense, what is the works they have to do? What are the actions they are doing it? That is the profile.
Okay.
There will be interview question as well. What is the difference between role and profile? You can tell them
Yeah.
profile is a mandatory, role is not mandatory. Role is visibility of the work, but profile is the what are the actions they are doing it. That is the difference.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now coming to role, this is how you need to create remaining roles. So if you want to make it a CFO, you can make it another role. Can you guide me? How can I add another role in to CFO?
Edit. Add role.
Here, assign,
Assign. Okay. Assign.
and here go with all
Users.
users.
All users.
And now I am making this guy as a CFO.
Okay.
Got it? And now going back to users. Yes.
Info. Yeah.
Now roles are coming.
Yeah.
Got
These
it?
are all admin part, right?
These all are,
Admin part, right?
yes, these all are admin part.
They have to set up
So
the.
here only you can decide to whom you need to share, to whom you need not to share. Everything you can see here.
Okay.
Okay. In case if you want to see this roles hierarchy in your organization, you can go to your application and you can just click on it here, and you can click on role. There you can find
Okay.
where we can find here. Go to assign. Sorry, not on assign. Just click on CFO. There you can see the users here.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Done.
Mm.
So this is how role hierarchy will work, and we can have a small mock session.
Mhm.
Just think that we have finance team and sales department.
Okay.
One minute. We have finance team and sales team. In finance team, Tom and Harry is there, and sales team, Larry and Jerry is there. And coming to finance department, modify all is yes. Okay.
Modify is this. Okay.
Modify all option is yes. This only for this thing is modify all is yes. Now which one is valid below mentioned statements? Tom can
Okay.
see or edit data of only Harry, or Tom can see or edit data of only Larry and Jerry? Which is the right one?
Tom can see or edit data. Only Harry. Tom and Harry. A. Oh, modify all. Tom can see, edit data. Only Larry and Jerry. No, A.
How?
The finance department, they can modify all.
Yes, exactly. Because he
Okay.
belongs to finance team, not from sales team.
Uh, yes.
Okay. And one more. One user can have many profiles in Salesforce or not?
One user can have how many profiles in Facebook?
One minute. I'll show here. So here,
Yes.
Vijaya, how many profiles will be having?
Is there only one?
Are you sure?
Um, yes. And two. 25th May profile also is mine.
Okay, 25th May profile and another one.
Mm,
We can't say here, but thing is, while we are creating profile itself, we are taking from scratch, right?
okay.
So we are making one profile. That means, though earlier you'll be having one profile, those access
Yes.
you'll be having, and another one, whichever we are giving, creating profile, those access also you'll be having.
Yes.
So that means here you'll be having two profiles.
Two profiles.
Got it? That means you'll be
Yes.
having more than one profile.
Yes. That's true.
It's true. But coming to role, can we have more than one role?
No.
Yes, exactly. We can have only one role. That do
Yes.
it is not mandatory. But profile is a mandatory.
Yes.
So max one profile.
Okay.
Can we create a profile from scratch?
Yes.
Yes, exactly. Because directly we can't do it.
Yeah. No.
Is that
We
correct?
don't. No, we don't need. We need to use any existing profile as a base profile.
We are just making
And
it a clone. Even
yeah,
here
yeah, yeah.
also,
It's on May 25th.
yes. Earlier it was there like contact manager or something. It is there. But we just clone it that one and we have done it.
Yes.
When we can create without having a clone? While coming to permission sets, we need not to go with a clone.
Yes. If you want to change anything, want to give
Okay,
any
here,
permission.
what is the link between profile and license? Every user will have a user license, but every profile has a user license. I'll send all this mail content to you through mail, no issues. If user license, profile license is not matching, profile can't be created. So while we are creating a profile, we have seen this. User license has to be matched, then only we can create profile.
Yes.
Got it?
Yeah, yeah. We got one error also
Yes.
when we are creating.
Can we skip selection of license for user?
No.
Why?
Users, you're asking.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the answer.
Profile.
Every user will have user license. Okay. License is a mandatory because every user will have a user license. Okay.
Okay.
Can we skip selection of role for user?
Can we skip selection of row for the users? Yes.
Yes, exactly. We can skip. Can we skip selection of profile for user?
No, it's a mandatory.
Yes, it's mandatory. Can we have more than one role or one license or one profile per user?
Can we have one row?
More
No.
than one role? No.
No.
What is CRUD and CRED getting in Salesforce? What is object permission in Salesforce profile?
God is create And
Go ahead. You're telling correct. Create.
security settings,
No, no. I'm just asking expansion of CRUD or CRED.
create, delete, update, and
Yeah, you're telling correct only. Read and
okay.
edit.
Yes, read and
Create, read, edit and update, delete.
delete. Edit.
What is data administration setting in profile? To let person access records owned by other user like an admin. Like this is don't by view all and modify all.
Okay.
What is the difference between view all and modify all?
View all and modify all. We can view all of them, then
Yes.
we can modify
View
all
all
of
in
them.
the sense only see the records of other users
Yes,
or owners. Modify all in the sense we,
edit and
one
we can
minute.
edit.
View as well as make changes and also delete records owned by other people.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now tell me this answer is correct or not.
Which one is the mention statement? Can see edit.
In finance team, Tom and Harry is there, but for finance team, modify all is yes. Okay.
Okay.
Sales team, Larry and Jerry. Okay. And which is valid below mentioned. Tom can see a edit of only Harry data, or Tom can see or edit data of only Larry and Jerry.
Second one B.
Exactly. Because modify all in the sense, in other words, complete rights. View as well as make changes and also delete records owned by others. So here, Larry, Jerry, owners of those records, right? But when we have modify all, yes, Tom can see records of Larry and Jerry as well because it has a
Yes.
modify all.
Modify all.
Got it?
Yeah.
What is the difference between view all and view all data?
View all data.
Is see
We
records
can
of all
see
users but only for
users
single
profiles.
object. View all data in the sense they can see for all the objects.
Okay. See the all the users, but only for the single object. Okay. See
Yes.
the records
What
of
is the
all
difference
users.
between modify all versus modify all data? Same thing. Modify all in the sense it will be only for that particular object. Modify all data in the sense it will be for all the objects.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have done with OWD profile permission set. This for object level, and for record level role we have learned. And now
Yes.
we can see how sharing rule will work and manual sharing will work. While coming to sharing rule and manual sharing, we'll be having submodule of another topic called as groups and queues. We'll learn what is a group, what is a queue in sharing rule and manual sharing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let me have a small introduction. What is the group in the sense? Just now, as I said, there is a CEO, there is a one CEO, there is one assistant CEO. If I want to share one particular record to my CEO, I can share to CEO directly to one person.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, at the same way, CEO is one role, and under CEO there are four assistant CEOs. In
Okay.
case if CEO wants to pass one message to all assistant CEO, what he has to do?
CC.
Okay,
You can do the CC in the mail. If
okay,
otherwise you can put any. If you have any group, you can keep the
exactly,
what.
exactly. So while coming to sharing rule, we should learn about one topic called as group. So whenever we want to share one particular data to a set of people. For example, uh,
Marketing, sales. Okay.
okay, so one particular mail, we uh, we have to send four people: from marketing team, employee one; from sales team, employee two; from HR team, employee three; from admin, employee four. Okay, these are the four people for responsibility for that particular work from their team. So that time, if I want to send entire team, I need to send mail to entire marketing team, or entire sales team, entire HR team, and
No,
entire admin team. So
no.
instead of that, we'll make one group. In that
Group.
group, I'll add.
EMP1, EMP2, EMP3, EMP4.
Got it? So we'll make one group like this, and we'll share all the records to in only for this group. So these are we'll
Okay.
make it. So this
Okay.
thing we can learn tomorrow.
Sure.
Okay. Any doubts as of now, Vijay? So hope you are
No, no.
understanding. So one
Yes.
do one thing. Saturday and Sunday. Tomorrow Saturday and Sunday, right? You can
Yeah.
create 3 to 4 users in your org, and create
Three.
multiple profiles, and roles will be kept as CEO, assistant CEO, or CFO, etc., etc., and make your role as assistant, and make somebody as a CEO. Then only your things will work out.
Okay.
Got it? So make at least
Yeah.
5 users in your arc.
System. And another one is CEO. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and make 2 to 3 profiles, and make 3 to 4 permission sets. And if you have any doubt, you can reach me. We'll have a call.
Sure.
And tomorrow morning I won't be available. Just call me on Sunday morning.
Tomorrow is no class, you're saying.
Yes, Vijay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay.
Sure, sir.
Done. Bye, Vijay. I'm winding up today.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.